What are you gonna do with him, Ronnie?
I'm shooting him in the ass.
Don't shoot him in the face. Was it a success, Ronnie?
Yes.
Yes. Sweet
Great
success?
Great success.
You gonna do it again?
Yes! Oh! Great success! Once again. My neck! That was perfect.
Sweetie, come here. Let me see if you get a mock.
I knew it in the neck, so I just shot in my head. And it was over his neck. Following this video.
No mock.
That hits you right in the neck. Alright, watch Cosmo's face.
This is what rednecks do for fun.
When I threw the ball, it bounced right off his ass. The same time it hit him.
Nothing.
I missed once, but never again.
Very nice.
Hey, dog. I mixed two of you.
Hit him right in the ass. You missed.
Did I hit you? Did I get you? No.
You have absolutely no lives. Do. This is our pink ball. This is our third pink ball.